ready for another yoga story?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay, this is the queen.
The queen.
In the castle.
In the castle.
Okay, the queen in the castle. Okay. Okay, so repeat after me. The queen.
The queen
Lives in a castle.
lives in a castle.
She has.
She has
A happy baby.
a happy baby,
A dog.
a dog,
A cat.
a cat,
Oh, sorry, and a cat. And a cat.
and a cat.
She loves to see dancers.
She loves to see dancers.
Oh no!
Oh no!
There's a dragon!
There's a dragon.
What will she do?
Will she?
She'll fight. Yeah. Will the queen fight?
No.
No. She will send her warriors.
Oh, warrior.
Okay, so we have warrior 1 and warrior 2.
Warrior 2.
Okay? Some protect and some attack.
Okay.
Got it? So, are you ready to tell the story?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay, great. Here we go. Okay, when you hear the person or the place, you do the pose. Got it? Okay,
Yes.
everyone. The queen
The queen
lives in the castle.
lives in a castle.
Okay? So everyone, I'm a castle.
I'm a castle.
Good, breathe in, breathe out. I'm a castle.
I'm a castle.
In, breathe out. Good, okay. The queen
The queen
has
has
a happy baby.
a happy baby.
Okay, everyone, roll on your back, get on your backs. Grab your feet from the inside to the out. Yes, exactly, good bend. Okay, everyone say, I'm a happy baby.
I'm a happy baby.
Breathe in, breathe out. I'm a happy baby.
I'm a happy baby.
Breathe in, breathe out. Good job, guys. The queen also has a dog in her castle.
A dog.
Okay? Everyone, a dog.
A dog.
So now you're going to get on your hands and knees. Okay? And you're going to bring up your bottom. And spread out your hands, spread out your feet, and say, I'm a dog.
I'm a dog.
Head down, head down. Breathe in, breathe out. I'm a dog.
I'm a dog.
Breathe in, breathe out. I'm a
Dog.
Good. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay, come down on your knees. There we go. Sit cross your legs. Good. The queen has a happy baby, a dog, and a
Cat.
Cat.
A cat.
Good. And a cat. Okay, so you're going to get back on your knees. Hands down. Good. Good. And you're going to be cats. Okay, so good. Excellent, Ben. Good job. Good. Everyone, I'm a cat.
I'm a cat.
Breathe in. Breathe out. I'm a
Cat.
I'm a
Cat.
Breathe in. Breathe out.
I'm a cat.
Good. Breathe in. Breathe out. Excellent. Excellent. Okay, you can now sit down. Cross your legs. Good. And the queen loves to see dancers. Do you guys like dancers?
Yes.
Great. Okay, we're going to be dancers now.
Okay, let's sit. Stand up. Yes. Okay. Dancers.
Okay, so put one leg out, take the leg in the back. Good. Say, I'm a dancer.
I'm a dancer.
Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. I'm a dancer.
I'm a dancer.
Good job, good job. Oh
Oh no!
Oh no!
no! The queen sees dragons.
Dragon?
Yes.
Would you be a dragon?
You guys be
Okay.
a dragon?
Ah!
I'm a dragon.
I'm a
Breathe
dragon.
in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. I'm a dragon.
I'm a dragon.
Okay, stand up. The the queen.
The queen.
Breathe in. I'm the queen.
I'm the queen.
Breathe out. The queen calls her warriors.
Ooh, warrior.
Some warriors to protect her. Okay? So, warrior 1, put your leg out, leg back, hands up. There we go. Say, I'm a warrior.
I'm a warrior.
I protect.
I protect.
Good. Breathe in. Breathe out. I'm a warrior.
I'm a warrior.
I protect.
I protect.
Breathe in. Breathe out. Good job, warriors. Then she calls for the warriors to fight the dragon. Okay, so bring out your swords. Good. I'm a warrior.
I'm a warrior.
I fight dragons.
I fight dragons.
I'm a warrior.
I'm a warrior.
Breathe in. I fight dragons.
I fight dragons.
Breathe out. Good job, warriors. I saw that dragon run away.
Nice.
Good job. Bye.